So guys, mag-return na naman kami ng mag-return. Tignan niyo yan siya, hindi nagpa-haircut, oy. Ayaw talaga niyang magpa-haircut. Ang akong pantihan ba kay gikaon sa akong lubot? Ang akong panty gikaon sa lubot. ay. Dito tayo. Magsauli na naman tayo ng mga gamit. Shopping daw siya. Han, you have tons of shoes in the house. $80. Oh, yeah. You have tons of shoes in the house. Come on. Let's go return this color. Okay. Sundan lang natin siya dito, no? Oh, I like that. You have like this, though. You have like this, oh.
Button collars that needs 2 pockets.
2 pockets. You can't find any more 2 pockets.
This is 1.
That one, oh, that one, the green. How much? There's on sale.
This has 1 at least.
They're on sale, love.
Yeah, they're on sale. What's the sale price, bud?
$50.
Yeah, okay, that's a sale.
The original price is $69.50.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
Your mouth pa. Everything complaining man itong asawa ko pa. Si complainer talaga. He's not Tommy, he's a complainer. Kaloka. You know over here, you know the price in this area.
Yep.
Oh, this is the thing, hon. Si Tommy, yeah, this one you have like this, and white. Yeah, I know. Si Tommy, gustong-gusto niya yung mga paninda dito sa Coles, pero ayaw niya yung presyo. So, kaya hindi talaga niya gusto yung presyo. Kahit anong gawin mo. Okay, let's go. The thing is, if you go online, it's not the right material. You won't like the material, blah, blah.
You know what you might get. Buy the same thing online.
This summer, oh. Very summery. Very summery. Yeah, I don't like that, honey, honestly. I don't like that. This one. And this one. Flamingos. Come on, let's get out. Let's go to ShopRite. Ay, just nako eh. Take that out. Come on, let's go. Labas. Guess the 2 of you doing here? Did you guys have a secret without mama knowing? And you are not allowed in here. You are not allowed.
I am Hobbs. I am allowed everywhere.
You are. Dada is spoiled you so
Remember
much.
my name. I am a Hobbs.
The 2 of you get along really well. Honey, what's wrong with the 2 of you? Han, why he is so addictive to you?
Because I don't want to scam food out of him. Who you kidding?
He is so he's closing his eyes, honey, like he is so happy, hon. That closing eyes, hon, it tells you, honey, that he loves you so much. Oh, yes, hon. Han?
I'll tell you that.
You didn't?
Cutting board.
Cutting board. Nagugutom na ako, mga love. So, ito yung binili namin ni Tommy doon sa tindahan. Lasagna. Lasagna. And, yan, ilagay ko lang siya sa oven for like 1 hour din lang. And, habang nagluluto po tayo niyan, magluto po ako ng rice. At saka yung string beans na niluto, nilinis ko. And then, meron din tayong okra. Bukas na lang ba yung okra? Gusto kong mag-okra ako, mga loves. As in, bumili ako ng okra. So, yun, kain tayo ng okra eh. Alam nyo, gutom na gutom ako ngayon. Kasi, konti lang yung kinain ko kanina. So, yun, lutuin natin itong okra. And then, idudo natin sa spicy na ano. Yun, pero matagal pa ito, mga loves. Mamaya pa. So, kailangan ko lang mag-snacks, no? Mag-snacks lang ako kasi kung hindi ako mag-snacks, magutom talaga ako. Hindi ko kayanin hanggang mga nasa 7 o'clock kami kakain yan. 5 pa ngayon. So, maghanap tayo ng snacky.
Late June or July now.
Wala ko first day of July lang. Hello, mga
So I got a new car.
How do you know?
I had a sticker on the windowsill.
Oh. Good morning! So, punta kami sa Cigarette Island. Tommy's Cigarette Island. Kasi po, yun, gusto gusto niyang magpunta sa Cigarette Island. Bibili daw siya, mga loves. still have a lot. But he is...
I don't have a lot. How many are there? 3?
Seriously, Han.
Really?
You want to treat, that's why. So, last night mga loves, I struggling. I was really crying though, but it's just like the pain I'm moaning at. Tommy, honey, you know, when I woke up, honey, it takes a while for me to call you because I'm moving to get my phone. I was like...
Of course, phone is more important than...
To call you, love?
Could he just yell to me?
I was like, honey. I was saying that to myself, Lord, help me, Lord. Tommy. The heaviest thing I feel in my life with the heat burning and then pain inside of my arm. That was like a
And
weird...
this is for not listening and just use the damn machine that scrubs for you. But no, she want to do it herself. Scrub it on her knees. But go ahead.
Knees.
Oh, you're on your knees scrubbing instead of just using the machine.
This morning.
She's got the power motor behind it. Scrub better.
That's what happened, mga loves. Kung magalaw itong kamay na ito, hindi ko talaga magalaw-galaw. Grabe. And it was pamaol na nasubrahan ang pamaol. Parang napasmado. Grabe, hindi ko talaga magalaw. Parang ang bigat ng mundo. Parang pasan ko yung mundo na masakit, na mainit na. Umiyak talaga ako kagabi. Grabe yung iyak.
Nice day.
Oh yeah, it's really nice out. Yep.
Inaantok ako mga loves. Are you okay? Inaantok ako and then takot. Daming sasakyan. Nasanay ako sa bukid mga loves na nakikita ko mga deer.
Maybe I will just do the driver.
Ha?
Traffic looks okay. Maybe I just do the
Exit the
driver.
highway at exit 6P.
And you know, you're the one driving, so you're going to Manhattan? Why?
Queens. Tri-Barrel was Queens, down to Manhattan. It's Tri-Barrel.
Ah, okay.
I'd have to go that way to take a 3rd Avenue bridge. So.
In 0.4 miles, exit the highway at exit 2.
Oh, break love. We're in Queens, mga loves. I'm inhaling Tommy cigarette like crazy, like I'm smoking.
Take the next right onto I-278 truck.
You know where you're going, right?
Yeah, but I gotta get that far left lane.
We're still in Queens.
Yeah.
Terminal over there, right? That's Terminal Mall. I think it's a terminal. LaGuardia. So, pauwi na tayo mga loves, no? Dito tayo sa Trogsnik Bridge. Look. Dito tayo. Pauwi na tayo. Ang laki ng sigarilyo gastos ni Mister. Umabot ng 30,000. Sa Luka. Yes, umabot po ng 30 pesos. 30,000 pesos. Grabe talaga. Hindi talaga kaya sa hindi talaga kaya sa power itong sigarilyo ni Tami. Kung pwede pa lang itong i-stop, makabili na ako ng lupa sa isang taon. Maliit na lupa, 100 square meter lang. No? I told you, you're smoking, I can buy a land. I can build a underground in the Philippines. Underground basement, love. What if I do that, honey? Buy a land and put underground thing. Yeah.
I don't know what to do.
That's where I hide. Quiet, don't say anything. That's where I hide. When I get old,
Storm comes.
yeah. When the storm comes, that would be
You're
nice.
like a tree will blow on top of it, you won't be able to get out.
I need a
You're
lot of.
suffocated now.
I need a lot of doors. So yeah. So nasa Bronx na tayo mga darling, ha? Oh, you have to exit here? You don't usually exit here. Anyway, mga loves, so pauwi na tayo. Yun yung ano ni Mister. So, yung kaibigan niya, hinapit lang namin siya yung bumili ng sigarilyo. Pagkatapos niya bumili ng sigarilyo, pumunta na lang kami sa bahay niya. And then, yun, binayaran na lang namin siya ng 500. Kalokohan talaga si Tami talaga. Sabi ko sa kanya talaga, yung mga ginagastos niya sa panigarilyo, sa isang buwan, sa isang taon, magagastos niya siya ng mga 60,000 sa isang taon. No, diba? So, kung tigumin ko yan, hindi man talaga yan siya magpaalkansi mga loves kasi talagang yung sigarilyo is life man talaga sa kanya. Is this guy is not moving? I guess not.
You will, because that lane is ending.
Okay.
No choice.
You have to be alert anyway because he really is moving.
These are stupid.
Yeah. Baby, are we home? We are home. Ano na naman tayo, tingbayad na po sa utang mga darling. Tingbayad na po sa utang. First day of the month. Mortgage na naman. Kapuya ay. Kapuya lagi ning mang utang tayo. Utang mong niya itong balay ay. Muna kinabuhi sa Amerika no. Naatuod ka sa Amerika na balay utang man po. Utang dyan tanan. Rayminte, utang tanan baby, utang. Utang, love, utang, aluy, 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 nabibing mama. Jealous! Ang jealous, little girl. Aduy, so jealous. Nako, silosa. Ay, surok si mga alam. Ang pagkasilosan niya talaga hindi mapipigilan. Charot. Hindi mapigilan yung pagkasilosan na. Oh, hi, Dada. Close you out. Aluy. Aluy. Dada, close your books out. Oh no, you're not special.